Dude, that is so cool. Heck yeah, dude. Dixon Flannel Company. That's awesome, bro.
How do you like the warm? We signed some anywhere on the white. You know what? You came prepared. You came prepared. Hell yeah, silver. Trav, remember a few years ago my bike was coming on? Yeah. You remember that? Yes. You put them on. You come back to the website. Thank you so much. Good to see you. Of course. Awesome, Trav. Hey, good luck today. I will, man.
You got a heated coat. Yeah, that's sweet.
That's the first time being here.
Yeah, it is. You're in front of me.
Thank you so much.
Snap-on remote control car.
Actually, I'm gonna mind if I get you got 2 seconds?
Yeah, I gotta get out of here anyway. Really gotta get it first.
Dude, that is pretty cool. The Snap-on Traxxas car.
Yeah.
You work for Snap-on?
I'm a dealer.
Oh, hell yeah. Man, that's so sick. Sorry about that.
You were fine, brother. Yeah, you like snuck up behind me earlier. I was like, I'm standing there like, it sounds like Travis Pastrana, and then there you are. Hey, David. There you go. Got the picture. Drive safe, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You want, like, yeah, you got to silver to the end.
I'll find a dandy until the sun starts going down in the window.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You'd be so mad if I was going.
I wish I would stay.
Hey, thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, no, Snap-on, these guys are awesome. We got our whole road, like everyone that lives on, like,
You got a dealer.
yeah, well, no, and then even, yeah, I mean, like, some of the top guys, like, everyone's there, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, Brian Austin, I don't know if you're familiar with him.
Yeah.
He's awesome, so good to see you guys.
Yeah.
Hey, man, it's cool.
You know, buddy, it's pretty good.
Where you been up to?
There we go.
Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah. No problem. There you go.
Drive safe.
How are you, sir? Yeah, of course. Right,
Oh, go ahead.
I'm
You
sorry,
go
let me get the
first.
officer
No,
first. Wait, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Snap-on's awesome, man. Sorry, how are you, sir? I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're good.
I appreciate you. Good luck.
That's
Thank you very
awesome.
much. Hello.